In this advertisement panel, what will happen? Once if it has come here, then we have to come for the lead generation option. This is the lead generation option. When we click it here, then click for continue. Next, because there are so many options available right now, you guys are want more leads. Okay, the sales is needs more. In case if you want to, your post need to be engagement. These are all the options for that. If you want more post engagement, if you want to drive the more traffic to your website, then you need to select this option. If you want to make it sure that your brand is want to predominantly promote to many people, then you need to select brand awareness. Reach, the same thing. Messages, another category. If anybody look out your advertisement, you will get messages in your messenger. This is the option. Conversion, automatically what will happen in case if you have the e-commerce product selling, whatever it is, that people will go directly to the your website, then sales will get automatically happen without having any communication with the audience. Okay, that is for conversion. Of course, for conversion you need to be master on such kind of ad creation. There is another next level of conversion, but right now please don't go for conversion methodology. I don't suggest it. And all that catalog sales and store traffic, physical store traffic. Say for example, if you have physical store in anywhere location available, you could choose only your location. How many people are there? Let's assume I'm staying in Hyderabad. I'm located in Kukatpalli. Likewise in Chennai, you could be anywhere else. That particular 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 6 kilometer, that distance you could throw the ad. Okay, that people they could be able to visit your store. So that's what it is, store traffic. And now I am going to make it lead generation advertisement. I am going to click continue. Simple. Okay. Yeah. Um, Facebook campaign name. Today, what I want to do that I just want to target the people. Facebook lead ad generation in which audience? Maybe throughout India or Tamil Nadu. So I just want to make it the Tamil audience I'm generally covering up, because I just want to help them more and more. There are a lot more people. They're not at all much awareness. So maybe lead ad. One more, when I'm giving very simple methodology here, it is very simple. 15 minutes we can able to create the advertisement. It will not take much time. I'm very much sure. Even you can do the same. You look out here. First, we need to select the campaign name. Then we have to select it ad set. Third one, we have to select it ad name. Simple. Like campaign name, I'll give the example. Like we can call it out our home. Okay, it's a unique home. For our home, we will make it as a name as per our convenience, for to make it identity. Okay, inside the home, there will be the different rooms. What rooms called? Every room will have the different names: master bedroom, guest bedroom, and children bedroom, and what do you call puja room, kitchen room. So those all are the small entity called ad set. Why I'm saying here ad set? What kind of people we are going to target? Okay, every room have the different audience. Why? Because master bedroom will have the guy who's running the family. That will be in master. Guest bedroom, guest who is coming, that guest is the audience. Puja room, gods are the audience, and kitchen room, that entity will be different. That is called, I'm giving here as a small example. Ad set called, it's depends upon the audience what we are making out, because they have categorized. When you are going to make it multiple ads, you should know what kind of audience you are going to select it. Tomorrow I'm going to the same campaign. I want to make it one more test. Not Tamil, English. Okay, English language. Of course, I know the language Telugu and Hindi and this three things I know that, but I want to make it mixed with all the people. The guy really who knows, who could able to speak in English. Mm, I'm going to create the campaign for those people. I can select the to whole India, to whole India who prefer language in English. Okay, my audience will get changed. Same campaign, I could create two ad sets. One ad set for Tamil, one ad set for English. In case if I want to another ad set, if I want to target the people in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, then I can make it one more ad set. So that is the reason I have given the example for you. You could consider as a different room. The home is same, entity is different. The audience will be different for our testing purpose. That's the reason people Facebook have given as a different category. New ad set. Hope it is understood, I guess. Also, initially, if you are not required, I do not want to confuse you guys. Why? Because you have to keep it your mind the three things: campaign name, new ad set, nothing like that. Only your audience. How we are going to select it. This is a name only for our reference. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Campaign name. I'm giving the Tamil audience. Yeah, lead campaign name. I'm going to Facebook lead ad, Facebook ad lead generation. Okay, yes, lead ad generation. Yes. Don't touch anything else here. Come bottom. Here lead generation default we have selected. Then slowly come down. Here is the budget. Here the budget will play like anything. Okay. What is our budget? What is our product? Okay. Initially when you go ahead that, don't put huge money. You keep it very simple as per your convenience. You can start with 100, 200, 300, whatever it is. But generally I go with 800 rupees default. Because for the initial trial, you don't know how much it works. Okay. Of course, you could able to make it lifetime also, but right now don't make it lifetime budget. Simple, make it daily budget. Daily 200 rupees, make it 200 rupees. Let us work out how you are getting the leads. Then you will come to know whether it's a quality leads, how you are targeting the people. Okay. This is a budget for daily budget. Okay. Hardly I would get it per lead. I would, so far I'm getting 10 less than 10 rupees. I will show my leads, how I am getting the leads. Okay. So 800 rupees I am putting here. So hardly I will get it for how much leads I will getting? 80 leads. 800 rupees I will get 80 leads. In that 80 leads, minimum at least I will get conversion 30%. Very simple fundamental. But this is just for the just for my very small entity campaign. This is not my main business. Okay, I'm teaching for this campaign big strategy. Yeah. Lowest cost, keep it as it is. Ad scheduling, keep it as it is. Okay. In case if you don't want to tomorrow you are not getting the proper leads, then you could able to pass it, no problem. You can on off, you can do based on the today I'm getting good leads. Okay, these leads are not working perfectly, then you can go for the next campaign. You could create it. It's a testing, and testing we need to do the proper manner. It is the secret of this. That's the one. In the world, no one is perfect. Because Facebook algorithm have given all the tools, all the metrics, everything. It is in our platform. They have given the open land. Let me simply giving that open land. You could build your house as per your what do you call it, your own dream and desire. The tool how you are making. Okay, in the 1,000 square feet, whether can you able to 2 BHK or 3 BHK, that is depends upon your skill set. Facebook, they don't interfere. Okay. Now I am going to come up the next lead campaign. I done it. I'm clicking the next. I'm going little slow. Why? Because I just want to make it sure you have to understand better. Okay. Hope this until this section, is it okay? Please in the chat box give me the okay. Right now you understood until this, because another only two ad set and new ad, only two it's available. Give it a quick. Veera, okay. Yeah, remaining people also, please, you are very. I generally, this is the first time. Generally, I'm taking the first time very less people. Generally, I take for 30 to 40 people minimum. So only 4 people are there. I'm expecting 4 people answer. Okay. Hope that would be better. Like, of course, Jayasri, if you are available, please type in the chat box. You are looking my screen, and yes, I am. I'm going at the next screen. Click next. Okay. Yeah. Here it's a ad set name. Okay. So the new ad set name, we have to give it. What is the ad set? As I told you, that audience. It's very powerful. Uh, 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 I'm putting Tamil Nadu audience. Tamil Nadu FP lead. Okay. Simple. Guys, I'm pretty much sure that everyone should have your own Facebook page. If you do not have a Facebook page, 100%, you cannot make it as a lead ad. Okay. So this is a button we have. You have to select your own page. This is my page. Hope you understand the difference between your Facebook page and Facebook profile. Facebook page is like your own website. Okay, the whole throughout the world it's supposed to be described. Okay, profile only your family and friends they could able to see you as a profile. So your Facebook page must to be SEO friendly. Why? Because nowadays uh, Google, no one is looking out the Google. So they are very straightforward. Come to your Facebook page, what you are doing, what kind of products you are selling. They'll go through all the reviews, then they'll come for the purchasing and product. Okay, that's the reason I strongly suggested make it your Facebook page in a very nice manner. That is must to be added. In case if you do not have a Facebook page, by clicking this button, you can create your own Facebook page. Generally, Facebook page, how it looks like that. I will show you here. My page is called Find. Just I have made it for this only for the Facebook lead ad generation. I made it out. This is my page. I'm going 1 second. Yes. Okay. So everything it has to be clearly what it's supposed to be. Exactly. You have to mention in a nice manner. Once if you selected here, then click view terms and condition. When it comes, automatically it will show here. First time when you click it, you have to click it accept. After accept, then come down. Catalog now, guys. Catalog in the sense automatically in your page you can create your own catalog. If you have created your own catalog, then you could select it here. That catalog will come out. Okay, like that. So if it does not, don't click this catalog right now. Okay. First you check it out the very small basic lead generation ad, create it out. Start date today. I'm going to start. If you want, you can make it the end date when it's supposed to be end your ad, so that automatically the advertisement will expire. Because every day I'm looking out, so that I do not require end ad. I can make it pause it whenever I want it. I'm living like that. Then I'm coming down. This is a very powerful session. I'm saying here, very powerful. Audience, here you are missing out. That's the reason you are simply boosting out. You don't look out this such kind of audience selection. You don't do that. That's the reason your ad will get waste of money. So now the potential reach is here almost 290. Number is huge, of course, more than what you called 290 crores. Yes, it could be 290 crores. I do not want to publish the advertisement to all the people. I just want to give the very limited people. I want to target only Tamil Nadu people. Why I do require India? It is not required, right? Okay. So I'm going to click it here. Tamil Nadu. Yes, state. Yeah. Facebook is a wonderful tool. Why I'm saying this? Facebook, everyone, we all the people, of course, you could collect my information in my Facebook profile. Everyone have given the own information, the own secret, what we like, what we dislikes, all the huge data already we have given in the Facebook page. This Facebook page extracted all the data and it has kept it as wherever the data source. That source we need to simply click and triggering out. That's a powerful here. Okay. You look at this potential reach, how much it's almost nearly 1 crore 8 lakhs. Hope 18 crores. I'm a little bit weak at max. Yeah, this is 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh, 1 lakh 80 lakh, 1 crore 8 lakhs. Yes. And the age. I am going to give the age factor more than 25. I want it because not less than, because I want to train the people, the guy who's doing the business, not for the teenage people who wants to improve their business people. 25 to 45 more than sufficient for me. If I do age factor only 25, now look at the potential. Still, I have shortlisted. How much it is? 1 year, right? Yes. Now, coming out the gender. I could select the people, whether man or woman, anyone I could select it. Of course, if you are, if you are running a parlor and salon and makeup items only for the woman-oriented product, if you are selling, you could sell it only woman. If I selected woman, the audience will show here 25 lakhs. 25 lakhs people in Tamil Nadu, age between 25 to 45. These many people are available. That's the data already. It is been automated. You could select it. You could shortlist it. Instead of Tamil Nadu, if you could check it out still more narrow down. Say for example, if you are running as a saloon, click Chennai or else area, whatever Anna Nagar, T Nagar. If I made it Anna Nagar, what happened? Yes, Anna Nagar. If I collect it, Anna Nagar, in that your area, only 5,500 people. I'm giving the example, but of course I'm not going to select it. If you are having the physical store, it could be anything, textile shop. Okay, you could make the people, because in your area you have to be visible. You have to tell them I am here, because people, they don't come and watch it. Whenever you keep on throwing your advertisement to the people, they will come to know, okay, this is a shop is available, I need a service. The next time they will visit your shop. It's a simple secret. You have to be more visible to the audience, then only they will come to know who you are. Okay. So now, wherever, as I told you that, one more powerful option here, you made it. People living in, for example, Anna Nagar, I made it. I'm staying in Kukatpalli in Hyderabad. In this Hyderabad, Kukatpalli, almost I got, what do you call? See, potential reaches 12,000 people. 12,000 people, only women are available. 25 to 45 people, they are using Facebook. So I could target the people, 12,000 people. I could sell the product if I am oriented such kind of person. Now, also there is another option called people living in this location, people recently in this location. Because in my area, it is hostel. There are huge hostels are available. Their hometown is different, but I just wanted to target the people who's living in this native is different, and who shifted to career, they are staying in a hostel. I could target that people, not for the resident people. Okay, people traveling in this location. Sometimes you put it a target, I'm traveling, emotions and all, you put it in your Facebook post. That based on that comment, we will retrieve the data. In case if you want, if you are running as a hostel, paying as a hostel, you could able to ping them. Tomorrow I'm coming from Chennai to Hyderabad. You could target the people who is coming traveling in this location, Hyderabad, Kukatpalli region who's traveling. That people only, that the what you call that ad will get published. Okay. Hope you understand. I have given a little bit clarity. That's what I believe. If you understand something, you please in the chat box quick yes. I'll move the next one. Guys, okay? Hope you all are with me. Okay. So I'm coming down now. Tamil Nadu audience I wanted. Then coming in the bottom, I'm going at the detailed target. Now, still more, I want to detail it. So this is a, you need to spend time a lot more here. Why? Because this detailed one, how it works. In your area, what kind of people? People always will be three. We need to select the people. After selecting the people, what kind of interest they are having. Okay, well, either that people would be interested to our product, then of course they are interested. Then what kind of behavior they are. So we need to identify these three factors. When we shortlist these three factors, we will exactly target the people. Okay, so that's what they need. That is the people we are. We need to segregating. Do you think that in traditional marketing is it possible? It is not at all possible. Why? Because paper advertisement, TV advertisement, that ad will go very broad audience. That advertisement everyone will look. Okay, it will not go for the especially people. Okay, so you guys did not do, while you do the boosting, you never do such kind of audience collection. That's the reason you will get failure. Your money will go off. You will not get a quality lead. Okay. You, when you are free, go ahead in the bottom. These many sectors, because Facebook collected the huge data, you could utilize it. Demographics, education. In case if you are selling education oriented product, you could able to see what kind of education, what kind of students they are. Okay, associate degree, college, graduates, all the segments are available. Master's degree, you could do a master's degree. Right now, my demographics, it is not like that. Okay, uh, once you go one by one, okay, relationship, in relationship status, there is a huge data available. How many people are complicated, divorced, engaged, in a relationship, married. So already data are available. Look out that when I moving my cursor, automatically right hand side it's showing the size of the audience, how many people are available. Okay. Likewise, demographics, we need to identify the who's our right audience, then go for the interest, what they are having the interest. Okay. So that people either what you, in case if you're advertising company, you identify the people, then either they are having the advertising interest, whether they are having or not. We need to identify them. So what will happen? Demographics, in that shortlist the people, extract the people, how many people are having such kind of interest. Let's assume 100 people you have targeted in demographics. In that demographics, hardly 20 people might have the advertising interest, like maybe digital marketing interest, 20 people. That 20 people I shortlisted. Then I will put it one more filter. That filter called behavior. What is a behavior? Behavior means how we reciprocate, like kind of how we behave it. Either after seeing that advertising digital marketing campaign came, either I will purchase it or I will not purchase it. Either I will simply seeing out or I don't see that. These data, how Facebook knows that? Of course, Facebook knows that because they have collected. If I purchased some other product previously, they know that, okay, he is a person, frequent buyer, such kind of digital products, then he is the right guy. So then what I do, behavior, engaged shopper, I'll make it. In that, out of 20 people, maybe 5 or 6 people engaged shopper. You see 100, 20, then 5. So that 5 people exact my audience. If I look exact that particular audience, in that 5 people, at least minimum 2 I will get converted. 2. Okay. So this is how it has to work. Any product, you have to target the right people, right audience. For that, you need research skill is required. your audience, how they behave, what they like it, what they do not like it, how you are targeting the right people. Okay. Hope you understand, guys. Right? Yeah. Now I am selecting my. I need a business owner. I want to take the business owner. Business owner. Automatically, when you click it, this will suggest it. Yes. Business owner. Employer. That is called demographics. When I click it, suggestion, it will say owner and CEO. This is a powerful. Just Facebook made our job is very easy. Founder and director, CEO. Small business owners, managing director, owner and managing director, own business, my own company, whoever it is, I'm the running company, I'm clicking all the factors, whatever the way. But only thing is, I wanted the guy who's running the business people. Okay, that's what I wanted, self-employment like that. Interest, what I will select it for my product. And the digital, I just want to tell the digital product, digital marketing. So these many people, they should aware, they should show the interest about digital marketing. Digital marketing, if I click it, digital marketing, yes, interest, digital marketing interest, then click suggestion, social media marketing, of course, anything kind of, yeah. Main thing I just want to teach it, lead generation, lead generation, yes, lead generation interest. Then I want to make it sales, the guy who really wanted the sales, how to bring it more and more. Okay, sales, of course, I can do the sales. Demographics also I can do this. Sales, demographics, I will make it, and also I will make it sales interest people. Yeah, sales. Great. So I have segregated the people, the business marketing, the owners, whoever it is increasing that business into the next level. These are the interests. Already they would have been searched in internet. I want to improve my business from this to that. They would have been seen the digital marketing advertisement, someone else. So that Facebook always monitoring you what kind of activity you do. So that will store in the database. That's what it'll work. Okay. Then what I'll do, as I told you, the behavior, I wanted to engage shopper who's purchasing. Engaged shopper, I wanted. Yes, behavior. You guys, you initially when you create the first time ad, you thoroughly check it because it's a very user friendly. You go one by one. You could target the mobile device users also. The guy who's using the iPhone, you could have that kind of people behavior. You understand what I'm saying? So that's a huge data available to finalize your audience. Okay. So I have narrowed down now. I'm coming in the bottom. So this is the options. Then after you done this, this is the ad set. As I told you that this is the ad set. Then we are going to create it. Ad doesn't nothing like that. What kind of our image? What kind of our data? So that is the final output. We have chose the audience. Audience is the ad set name. Then the entity. As I told you, inside the room. Inside the room, what would the entity? Like in a puja room, of course, the God's photo. How we are decorating. How we are keeping our presentation. Making different things. That would be the case. I'm coming in the next. Okay. Yes. Our advertisement name, I will make it out. Lead at 99 rupees. This is what I mentioned for 99 rupees. I putting as an ad name. If you have the ad an Instagram account, default will come here. You select it. Your advertisement also will be placed into Instagram. Okay. Your account you could configure from your Facebook page. Very simple. Then I'm coming down. You don't do anything else. Click single image or video. That's it. Then come down in the bottom, click it, change image. Put change image. Either you could put it video or image. In case you want to put it video also, you could do that. Hope already I have uploaded so many things. In case if I want to upload it, you click it this open button. Hope I have made it something else. One second, presentation. Yeah, yeah. Yesterday, my people there, paragraph. Just make it sure that your ad copy, it has to be in 1200 into 628 pixel. 1200 into 628. You could do it in Canva using by the canva.com website. Also tomorrow I will give one more video. Definitely without any technical skill you could do that. It is very simple, pretty simple. Using by canva.com, anybody can create a post, attractive post. Okay, click OK. In the side there is a, you could able to see my, what do you call it, you look at this. In Tamil ad, I just for the demo purpose I used it. Make it your own creative, your own product. Give a very nice words. Create a very attractive post. So people look by image. Your content, the pain point has to be, always give them the benefit. Okay, this button don't switch on. If you switch on this, it is not compatible. Okay, so make it switch it off. Then what happened? Exactly, it fit for all the placements. So your placement will go all the, Facebook has a different placements, like storyboards and articles. So many things are available. So it is exactly suitable to have the very nice visibility. Okay, simple. That's it. Nothing else to do. Very simple. Very simple. Yes. And one more thing, art copy, that is very powerful. You have to do the very wonderful art copy. You have to do maintain it. Already I have copy paste. I have done it. I'll show you. So when you work out, when you create the ad, you have to spend time for this kind of stuff. So what kind of content you are going to give for the people? Okay. So this is always give your people exactly what they needed, what kind of benefit they wanted. So that benefit, if they could understand, 100% they will, your leads will get very easy to convert as a sales. Okay. So since I am in my company, I am past 10 years into the sales and marketing. I know the traditional wise, digital wise, how to do, what to do, branding, development, and all. I am expert into that. Okay. This kind of your product information copy paste into your primary text. Simple. Then come for the headline, exactly what you want. Okay. What people they need to do. Okay. Like kind of you can make it simple. Learn if we add at 99 only. Use it something very catchy words for you as per your product. What people could able to also use it some emoji wherever you are looking out in the people. Any limit record adding in content? No record. Yeah, you could add it. Use it 300 words, 300 to 400 words. Make it some little good story. Okay. So why? Because as per people always look for the content very clearly. You have to make it sure why, how you are making them to convinced. Okay. Benefit. Don't talk about the feature. Talk about the benefits. Your product feature, no one cares about it. Okay. I do this. This product has this kind of configuration and all. They don't want it. When I use your product, what is the benefit I'll be getting? Very simple. That's what you have to talk about it. Okay. The benefit, make it out. The primary text, it is done. Almost very simple. And that's it. Your ad is done. Only the concern is people, they don't know the tool. It is available, but they know the concept. They are having the common sense. Traditional marketing, of course, we are, everyone in the world, everyone sales people. Annoyingly, some people know that they're sales professionally, they do that. I believe in that. Sometimes I learn from my daughter. She's also very good sales. How whenever upon the mood, how can whatever they need it, they know very cleverly. Okay, they will get it done. The same way you have to work it with your audience. Okay. Once if it is done, finally you have to create the lead form. That people will give your email and phone number. That's the thing. This is very powerful. You create your lead form, how it's supposed to. I'm going to teach here. This is the last step. Make it your own form name. Okay. Lead form. Lead form. Your product name, keep it for your own reference. Then go to settings, click it open. Why? Because restricted means only the people, this ad who's going to that, they can give the information. If it give open, some people, they like your advertisement, they will forward to somebody, other friends, they also can give the submit the form, they would be able to eligible it. Of course we need a more leads, right? So always keep it open. Then content, click it here. In the bottom, introduction, optional. If you want, you can, or else better you give your own company promo, you do that. Headline, your company information, completely give it. Okay, what you do that. Image, if you want, you can use it your same advertisement image, or else use it your own. The same again mentioned already, suggestion I have given, 1200 into 628 pixel. You could use that. Paragraph, small, hardly very easy to understand. Don't give blah blah long story. Give exactly what you are having the product. What is the benefit? Always look at the benefits. Short, clear, crisp and clear. Give the information. Okay. So those three things you give it. Then come for the bottom question. In this question, in the bottom already default email and full name will be available. Then go to contact field, the phone number. We have to add it. Okay. Repeat. I will repeat once again. You could see add category, contact field, then phone number. Yes. It is very easy to organize it how you want the data. Okay. Maybe we will keep it in the name in the first, in the top, and phone number I'll keep it in the middle. Likewise, wherever you want, you could do. Okay. As per your convenience, you will get the Excel sheet data, how it looks. I'll show that also. Privacy policy, of course you need it. Privacy policy, you should have the website. If you do not have the website, no worry about it. There is a lot of websites are available, wix.com, bookmark.com. So those all are the very easy to create free websites. Those websites, create your own brand, something, create it, make it privacy policy. Privacy policy, there is one link, we need to paste it in your website. It has to be. For the time being, if you do not have it, copy paste your Facebook page for the time being. Okay. I have some other other business, cosmetic business. What I do that e-commerce side, I have the, you see, this is the privacy policy. Privacy policy, nothing but we are collecting the data, we don't use it some other purpose, only for the to know about our product information to the audience. That is what we need to make it share in the privacy policy link. I'm copying here. The link I am giving here, our page name, find FB ad, FB lead, whatever it's supposed to. Only the thing is, this will visibility here. That's it. Okay. And one more on the question side, you have to make it sure there is a, what you call this message, we need to do that. Let people know how the information they give you will be used or shared. Just to make it sure data to share our product information to people. Why? Because we need to tell the people why we are collecting the data. Simple. Okay. So this is the question and answer. If you give it, then privacy policy done. Then come for the thank you screen. Simple. In this screen also you have to make it as per your own customized statement. Thank you, all set. Always look at tab below to visit your find. Okay. So I am generally what I do that I will bring the people into my WhatsApp. Okay. Of course you could do. If you do not have the website, also you could do that. How it is, I'll tell you. Click below button to get more information on WhatsApp. Simple. Okay, this is what I'll mention. In the bottom, I'll go here. If you want to give any free gift, give something. Okay, get free gift. WhatsApp me. So this is a button will come here. This name. Here you need to give the website link. What you will give? Very simple. Your WhatsApp web link. wa.me. Always you type wa.me. Then your number. Okay, wa.me 919676. It's my number. When you click this, when automatically people they have entered all the data, final they will see. Of course, if you have any free gift, you give free gift or else leave it. But I suggested any free ebook or something like that you could give so that people attract a lot and more such kind of stuff, and they will click it. They will come to your WhatsApp straightforward. Okay, so that you could easy to get a sales in a very nice manner. Then click it, save and finish. Once if you done already have the form, I do not want to make a duplicate. Okay, so your form will be displayed like this. So there are so many multiple clients I'm using out. That particular form we need to select it. Then form, it's done. Simple, finished. When it is clicked form, then automatically it's done. Then we have to click publish. That's it. Okay. Actually, now the publish button, why it is not enabling? Yesterday, my account, due to some billing error, it has been for the time being, it has been disabled. Okay, that's the reason the publish button not enabled. For you, it won't be a problem. Of course, this error will be solved. It. In case, how you are going to add your billing? First time, when you do that first time billing, you always come on my other account. I have multiple accounts. The payment settings, when you go payment settings, you could add your payment method like same way as I told you earlier. Add payment method, it is very quite normal. Your debit card, debit or credit card, you could give it. First time user always prepaid. First time when you do that, that will show your net banking, Paytm also will be show for that. So you could use the same thing. In case of if you have any difficulty, do let me know. I will find out. Okay. So that's the thing, guys. Hope we have created that within 20 minutes. Hope only. Okay. So now I will do the small recap. In this presentation, yes. Yeah. The small recap I have prepared for you guys the PPT also. I will give the PPT. Also this session also has been recorded. The video also I'll give you. Step by step, you could create your own ad. Okay. Ads manager. First, what I did it create campaign ad set ads. I'm going the campaign name. Then click next. Ad set name. Click your page. Your budget. The next, your audience, age, gender, select the behavior, demographics, interest, behavior. If you want, you can make the cost control per lead. I want only 20 rupees, 30 rupees, want such kind of things also possible. But right now, first you demonstrate it. Okay, first let us see 200 rupees put it, 300 rupees put it. How much it is getting converting the leads, so that you will come to know. So initial amount you put it. Okay, minimum 2,000 to 3,000, something like that. Okay, the same way, and I would ask some questions. Then select your Instagram page, name, single image, I selected it. Then come for the placements, primary text and headline. This PPT I will give you, buddy. Then call to action, exactly what people need to do. Okay, whether you want to sign up, whether you want to book now. I mean, if you are having the offer, so these kind of appropriate call to action, you do that. It has to be very simple. very simple, powerful post. You can do it using by the Canva. Very simple. Okay, very simple and understandable words, and the image also has to be very less words. There is a tool already I'll show you. After you converted that, your image can be check it out whether it is a how much image the words are available. Okay, demographics, how many people are there. This sheet I will give you. Interest. This all already is available in the website, but still I have made as a PPT PDF. How many people are there? Finally, lead form. Okay, yeah. So this is my clients already I have generated for them. Very costly. See, 80 paisa also I done it. Some people. Okay, my clients. Some people I done it 10 rupees, 8 rupees. One leads came for 2 rupees 65 paisa, something like that. Okay, it depends upon the product to product it is. Okay, some ortho. So these are the ortho client, 12 rupees. 12 rupees. This many people reached it. 2990 were reached it, and I got 12 clients. Okay, so many hospitals like that. It is very powerful. Everyone, we could able to sell it any product using by the Facebook lead ad generation. It is very easy tool, and also it is a very powerful tool. In a very quite less cost advertisement, we can do that. The Surya Hospital, infertility center also we have done it so many leads. If they could able to get it 10 leads, the money will be huge, right? Real estate now. Guys, I just want to one more thing. Finally, I just what do you call it? I have done some, one more gift for you. Gift in the sense I have made one book. Okay, um, this is a book. Why I'm saying this? Exactly, Facebook page how it's supposed to be. Okay, I have made all the print shot, 95 print shot. How I shown that lot more Facebook page. It is not optimized with SEO. Right? SEO means search engine optimization. So Facebook page, your keyword, what kind of product you are doing, all those things, everything it has to be make it very professional manner. Then you are so able to visible. Okay, if you are not able to make it such a professional business page, then you are nowhere else in the business. Okay, Facebook I'm telling. So this is a book I just in Amazon. I just Kindle version. I plan to publish it 699. But for my batchmate, 199 only. I just in case if anybody wants, you could ping me. I'll send the ebook. This is a ebook. Okay, it's not a this is not a this book. You could take it from me after that. It's like that. I have made it like this, the PPT, everything, how it's supposed to be category, and also the messenger, how you will get the automated messenger message to the people, how to configure it, how to add the shop, how to add the catalog. So all the features are available in that book. Okay, so that's how, guys. Almost we are about to question and answer session. So I will open it out. If anybody wants to talk to me, and do let me know. I'll clarify your doubts. Okay. Yes, please go ahead. Anybody? Veera, you can ask me any doubt if you have. Unmute, you can unmute and talk. Veera, if you want to talk to me, I could not able to hear you. If you want to talk to somebody, please unmute it and talk to me. Veera, one small doubt. Yeah. One small doubt regarding payment option. Payment option, billing, go to the ads manager, billing, Veera. When you click billing, then you could able to do that. You could add your credit card or debit card, or else net banking option also available. If it is a very new account, you have to wait for one more week. Actively work out for the Facebook post and all. You'll get all the options. Okay. Previously, I had made payment from. Okay. What happened? That amount. That amount has been. Okay. Yeah, you can remove that. Yeah, you can able to you could able to do that, Veera. First time you are done from net banking or credit card you have made it? Net banking, right? Okay, fine. JC are not okay. Lot of calls. Okay, fine. uh, so so this is of course this is a recording also, JC. Okay, I want to make the payment option through debit card. Is it possible? Yeah, of course possible, Veera. You can do it. You can do it. If it is something problem comes, definitely we'll work it out. Okay. Mm.
Yeah, this is Gurnath here.
Yeah, Gurunath, tell me, Guru.
Yeah, previously I had done the ad. So can
Okay.
we delete that previous one and we can create the new one?
Yeah, as many as times you can do that. Okay.
Because I was not able to see that option. That's what in my Facebook
You
page.
cannot delete it. You have to go the as I told you that in the screen I will share it out my screen. There is a button called you can create it as many as you want it. Okay. The PPT I will show
So we
you.
cannot delete the previous one. I think so.
We cannot delete it. In the sense you can off it, switch it off.
Okay.
Okay. So like kind of you see here,
Okay.
there are so many ads in the gray color button means it has been switched off. Okay. The blue means it's active.
Okay.
Okay. So like
How
that,
to go to that page? Can you just show me once?
ads manager, like kind of your facebook.com/ads manager.
One second.
Slash ads manager. If you enter shortcut, directly will go.
Ads manage. Manage ads. It is no. Yeah.
Ads manager. Okay. In the ads manager, you selected any of the button, whatever you wanted. Now only two ads are running. If you want it, select it, then switch it off. In the edit button, there is edit. If you want, you could turn on, turn off. All the options will be available. Okay. Hmm. And I'm also getting the leads. Like I'll show you here how I am getting the leads. So I have a configured automated messages whenever you see totally lead center, you could see my leads 829. So this particular page I got it 829 past 1 week. I have done only 1 week of this session. Every time I get the leads, automatically I have configured to some other third party app. I will get a message, a new leads. Instantly you'll get it like that. Okay. So these all are new leads to me. Today only I received it, so many leads. In the same way, you could do that.
So I'm not able to see that what you're telling that leads you received.
No, I'm talking about that. How many leads I have got it. Okay. So I am showing this my screen.
Okay.
829 leads I got it. In the same way, you also can generate your leads for your business. Okay. Make it appropriate advertisement. That's it. Okay. For instance, can we?
So we can off the previous leads, previous ads which we had done, and we have to create a new one. You're telling, no?
You switch off. Yeah, you have to switch it off and create new one. Exactly. Yes.
Switch it off. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
We cannot edit the old one only.
You switch it off. Don't delete it. Why you are deleting? You make it switch it off. That's
no. Edit it.
No, don't edit it, because once if it is not done, create always new one, because that will make sense. Because again, people Facebook, if you have not performed well your old ad, there is a chance to again reject from Facebook people. Okay.
Create
new one. What is your business?
Sarees.
Shop. Create new one, because create catalogs. Okay, create the catalog sales. Your Facebook page. Do you have the catalogs in your Facebook page?
No, I have not done it. I think so.
You have to do that. Okay. Your Facebook page first you implement it. Okay. Without Facebook page, proper Facebook page, then don't go ahead for the leads. Okay. I strongly suggested make it authentic.
Catalog manager. You're telling you have to go to the catalog manager.
No, you have to create the catalog manager, Guru.
We have to add the photos.
Yes, everything. All the products you make it out because Facebook giving a free option, people are not using that. That's the problem. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed the session. I guess, right? How is the session? Is that somewhat knowledgeable? Veera, you can sell the product. Veera, Herbalife products you can sell it out surely because one of my client last session he asked me. I created the ad for him, so it was working. He got a leads. Only thing is you need to follow up the right people. That's it. Okay, you could do that. You just personally ping me. I will guide you how to do. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Veera. So guys, yeah, Jayashree, the next session maybe I will take it out. Hopefully today evening I'm taking only for Tamil people for 30 people. In case if you are available, maybe you could rejoin Jayashree. Okay. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for the session. Okay. If anything, you could ping me in the private WhatsApp, and also if you wish my product, the book 199 rupees, it's very much useful. You could you could implement all your business page in a proper manner. That is pretty much sure I'm giving the guarantee. Okay. Thank you, guys.